Usually, when a person's sad, depending on the situation, they can get over it easily, or it'll just take time for them to get over it. But when you're sad for a long period of time, and it affects your activity of daily living, then you might suffer from depression. In some cases, individuals may partake in the consumption of alcohol to relieve their depression. For example, this particular individual requires the use of alcohol in order to bring himself up from depression.
Gloomy on sunny days, shadows, no house or trees. Prayers not close to me as I bow down and take a knee. Hell goes far as the eye can see. Hoodies and weaponry, naive to being free. Locked us, we chasing keys. How your eyes investigators, while we look up to entertainers, ball players, pistol bangers.
Besides alcohol, there are other substances an individual may use to relieve depression. For example, this young gentleman prefers smoking marijuana to feel as though he's in a worry-free environment.
Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here. Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take it here. Feeling like 2 a.m. summer night.
But if neither of these apply to you, you can just be depressed and have no interest in what you used to enjoy. A more proper and legal way of feeling better is by taking Prozac. Prozac is an antidepressant meant to treat major depression. This is good, but it can also bring some side effects. For example, sexual dysfunction, insomnia, anxiety, akathisia, nervousness, and suicidal ideation. Prozac is not for everyone, so please consult your doctor before using Prozac. And soon after, you will feel better and more active, like this.
Yeah, kidding. I said you ain't gotta leave. My bad, I know this ain't usually your thing, but don't.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Deuces.